Hello, travelers. Welcome back to Travel with Damal Consult, and happy Vlogmas Day 5. Can you believe the holidays are already here? This time of year is perfect for creating unforgettable memories, and for many of us, that includes hitting the road, hopping on a plane, or exploring somewhere new. But today, we're focusing on a unique and rewarding way to travel. Solo travel during the holidays. Whether you're planning to jet off alone for the first time, or you're already a seasoned solo adventurer, this video is packed with practical tips, personal insights, and even a few travel hacks to help you make the most of your holiday solo trip. Solo travel can feel daunting at first, especially during the festive season when everyone else seems to be surrounded by family or friends. But trust me, it can also be one of the most liberating and joyful experiences you'll ever have. So, grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into how you can make your solo holiday travel not just stress-free, but absolutely amazing. First, let's talk about why traveling solo during the holidays is such a fantastic idea. While the thought of being away from loved ones might feel a little overwhelming at first, solo holiday travel comes with its own unique set of benefits that you might not have considered. 1. Freedom and flexibility. Imagine waking up in a new city, with the freedom to create your own itinerary without compromises. Want to spend hours wandering through a Christmas market? Or maybe skip the crowds altogether and relax on a quiet beach? When you're traveling solo, you're in charge of your time and energy. You get to do exactly what you want, when you want. 2. Personal growth. Solo travel pushes you out of your comfort zone, and that growth is amplified during the festive season when the world feels so alive. You'll learn to trust yourself, make decisions on the fly, and gain a deeper sense of independence. 3. Unique cultural experiences. The holidays are celebrated in such diverse ways around the world. You might find yourself enjoying a hot mulled wine at a Christmas market in Germany, watching New Year's Eve fireworks in Sydney, or experiencing the peaceful calm of a Buddhist temple in Thailand. The holidays offer an opportunity to see traditions from a completely new perspective. 4. Social opportunities. Here's the thing about the holidays. They tend to bring out the best in people. Locals and other travelers are often more open and welcoming, which means it's the perfect time to connect with others. Plus, festive events like markets, parades, and celebrations create so many opportunities to make new friends. 5. Budget advantages. Finally, traveling solo can sometimes be lighter on the wallet. You can find last-minute deals, share accommodations with other solo travelers, or even simplify your packing to avoid extra baggage fees. If you're strategic, you can save while still experiencing the magic of the holidays. And remember, the festive spirit is everywhere during this time of year. Even if you're far from home, the decorations, music, and holiday vibes make it easier to feel connected to the season. Okay, now that we've talked about why solo travel during the holidays is amazing, let's get into how to plan your trip. Proper planning is essential, especially during the holiday season when travel tends to get busier and, let's face it, a little more chaotic. Here's how to set yourself up for success. 1. Book early. The holidays are peak travel time, so flights, accommodations, and attractions tend to fill up quickly. To avoid paying sky-high prices or missing out on where you want to stay, try to book as early as possible. Websites like Skyscanner are great for finding deals, and you can even set up price alerts. 2. Choose your destination wisely. Ask yourself, do you want to soak up the festive vibe? Or are you looking for an escape from the holiday chaos? For example, if you want that Christmas magic, head to cities like Vienna, London, or New York. But if you'd rather unwind, tropical destinations like Bali or the Maldives are perfect for a peaceful getaway. 3. Research local holiday events. One of the best parts of holiday travel is joining in on local traditions. Look up special events happening at your destination like Christmas markets in Europe, New Year's Eve fireworks in Sydney, or Hanukkah celebrations in Israel. 4. Pack smartly. Packing during the holidays can be tricky because you'll need to prepare for the weather and any holiday-specific items. Make sure to include warm layers if you're heading to colder destinations, or light clothes for beachy escapes. And here's a fun tip. Pack a small string of fairy lights or a tiny Christmas ornament to decorate your hotel room. It's a simple way to bring some holiday cheers. 5. Plan around crowds. Finally, prepare for crowds at airports, train stations, and tourist hotspots. Apps like TripIt can help you organize your itinerary, and downloading offline maps on Google Maps is a lifesaver in case of spotty internet. With these steps, your holiday solo travel is off to a smooth start. Now, let's talk about staying safe. Now let's talk about safety tips for solo travelers during the holidays. Safety is always a priority when traveling solo, and it's even more important during the holidays when crowds and distractions can make things a bit chaotic. Here are top safety tips. 1. Share your itinerary. Always let someone back home know where you're going and staying. Apps like WhatsApp or Find My Friends are great for keeping loved ones updated on your location. 2. Secure your belongings. Invest in an anti-theft backpack and use luggage locks to keep your valuables safe. Always carry your passport, money, and phone in a crossbody bag that stays close to your body. 3. Be mindful of scams. The holidays are prime time for scammers who prey on distracted travelers. Be wary of anyone offering deals that seem too good to be true or creating distractions to pickpocket in crowded places. 4. Stick to well-lit areas. If you're out exploring at night, stay in busy, well-lit areas. It's always better to avoid dark or isolated places when you're alone. 5. Trust your instincts. Your intuition is your best friend. If a situation feels off, don't hesitate to leave or say no. It's always better to prioritize your safety. And that wraps up my tips for solo travelers during the holidays. Whether you're heading to a snowy wonderland, a tropical paradise, or anywhere in between, I hope these tips empower you to embrace the beauty of solo travel during this magical season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. And let me know in the comments, where are you planning to travel this holiday season? Thanks for joining me on Vlogmas Day 5, and I'll see you tomorrow for another festive adventure. Happy travels, and happy holidays!